When you think of avocados, you may think superfood. Well, after you try today's recipe, you'll think super delicious. We're making crispy avocado wedges in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
You know, we're a country that loves anything with a crispy, crunchy coating. Over the years here in the Test Kitchen, we've breaded everything from chicken and fish to veggies and even French toast. But today, we're going all out by taking one of our favorites to a whole new level. We begin by cutting an avocado in half, removing the pit, and cutting each half into wedges. Then we peel off the skin and toss it with a bit of lime juice. The key here is to start with the perfect avocado, one that's ripe yet not too ripe. We bread these like we would fried chicken, first into some seasoned flour, then into an egg wash, and finally into some seasoned breadcrumbs. Once they're all breaded, we coat them with cooking spray. That'll help them crisp up while they bake. While they're in the oven, we can whip up an easy cilantro sauce to serve with them. Told you it was easy and so different. With each bite, you get the crunch from the breading, followed by the creamy texture of the avocado. Dip, dunk, or spoon some sauce over them for even more goodness. To get the recipe, all you have to do is visit our website and look for crispy avocado wedges. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a creamy and crunchy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.